Hey YouTube, well today on Riggin Shit Up with Corp, I need to cut my palm leaves, but I'm having problems with my legs, so I don't want to climb on a ladder. So what that means is I had to come up with a little something. Now I know it's fancy, but we have 2x4 with a sawzall taped to it with a 1/2-inch stick of conduit, which with some paracord pulls the trigger. And I had a 1/2-inch stick of conduit that was already had a 90-degree bend in it, so I cut it off right so it wouldn't hit the trigger and wouldn't cut the paracord here. Wrapped it up and around, stuck a screw in there with a washer. There you go, fixed point, tape. There's what I cut off of the 90. And just by pulling out the back here, there you go. Now let's see it in action. Alright. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There'll be more to come. Alright. See you next time.